Hello guys. So this is another review. I'm going to be talking about a particular light I bought. I'm not going to be talking much about it. I'm just going to be doing a little review about it, then tell you how the light works, then we just go from there. So yes, this is the light. This is the Sute Photo P100 RGB. It's an RGB light. It has the bicolor, but this is the official RGB of this light. And I know a lot of persons are very interested in getting this light. So I am just going to be doing a quick unboxing, then we just go from there. So opening the box, this is what we have. When you open the box, you get this. Then it's an amazing bag. It has a very beautiful bag. We'll throw this away. The bag is customized with the name of the brand. You can use it for some other things also. So we open the bag. When we open the bag, you have your charger here. Yes, this is the other part of the charger. And it has extra strap. Then it has this covering the bag. Then it has a nice reflector. This is like one of the amazing things about this light. I was thinking of getting another reflector, but I just have another amazing reflector. Why do I like this light so much? That goes away. In here, this is all we have in here. Then this is the Oga Patapata of them all. So I'm going to put this away. I'm going to put that away. So this is the light. I feel like the build of this light, this part is looking like aperture light, and I like the fact that you have an handle here to hold the sunlight, unlike some other light. And you can use your Sony batteries here. If you got any Sony battery that works with any of your lights, you can use it here to work perfectly. I like the way the back is built, but I am going to on it now, so we'll see how it works. This light can also work. Yes, this light can also work with my phone. So it has the part for battery and it has the part for direct charging. Right now the light is on. So when you're using these old buttons back here, the buttons are a little bit confusing. So I really don't enjoy using these buttons. So I'm going to put it as a backlight, then I'm going to control it with my phone. First of all, let me try connecting with my phone. There is an app for it. So the name of the app is SSLD. So it's going to search for the device. It's connected right now. It's very easy to connect. Once it's connected, you just start using the light. So I am going to lower the intensity first of all, then I'm going to put it behind me then. So when you turn it on, I'm going to be controlling it with my phone. That is how bright it is. Yes. It is very bright. Then from here you can decide to want to use any of the colors. I'm going through it like this. You see the colors start changing. So you have a choice of which of the colors you want to use. It's easier to control with your phone than to control through the back buttons, because the back buttons are confusing. And it has a lot of effects. You can reduce your red, you can reduce your green, or you can go to the effect where it starts giving you lightning, like rain wants to fall, frequency. You start seeing it start making some effect, or police siren to start making that look, or truck, fire truck. You know, there are a lot of options. Ambulance, and you can, the intensity, you want it to be high or you want it to be low. You can do all of those and increase the frequency and all. You have all the choice you want. You have TV screen, you have candle light. Okay, yes, it has fire, so it will just be shaking gradually. So it has all those options. So I would advise anybody, should you buy this light? Yes, if you want to buy a good light, a good RGB light as a backlight, or you are just a beginner, you need a light for your music video, go ahead and get this light. Light is very powerful. Yeah, I cannot lie to you now. You know me, I'm your friend. I don't want to call you my best friend because Kegan will vex. But you are my friend, so I cannot lie to you. Let me go back to my HSL once again. And, I'm enjoying it. That is how beautiful the light is. Peace.